Resolution setup. Before using the OEM system, please complete the resolution settings. Incorrect resolution can cause the OEM system to display incorrectly. Please select a resolution compatible with the original vehicle screen, or manually test resolutions to find the correct one.